Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of the spicy black pepper chicken, juicy and tender chicken pieces in a rich and bold black pepper sauce. To begin, take 500 grams of boneless chicken breasts, cut them into bite-sized pieces, marinate with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, half a teaspoon baking soda, and an egg. Mix well and keep aside for at least 10 minutes. For dredging, mix together half a cup of all-purpose flour and half a cup of corn flour in a large bowl. Add in the marinated chicken and mix until the pieces are well coated. Dust off the excess flour. Heat oil for deep frying. Fry the chicken pieces on low heat until cooked and golden. Make sure they do not brown. To prepare the black pepper sauce, mix 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons vinegar, 1 tablespoon black pepper coarsely ground, and a tablespoon of honey in a large bowl. If you want it spicier, you can add a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Heat 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in a pan. Add in a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and saute for a minute. Add in half a cup of diced onions and half a cup diced bell peppers. Cook for a minute or two. Add in the sauce mix and boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Make a slurry of 1.5 tablespoons corn flour with 3 tablespoons of water. Add it to the sauce and cook until it thickens. Finally, add in the fried chicken pieces and mix until well coated. Add in a bit of water if needed. The spicy black pepper chicken is ready to serve. Garnish with sesame seeds. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.